This is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We just got this 2017 350 SLX outboard. Nice blue hull color. Complete canvas package. But it is Mercury 350 engines, joystick powered. Nice back seat here for lounging. Also drops down and makes just a platform over the transom area. Nice place for a boat name. Sea deck throughout the boat. Has the grill here. Refrigerator underneath. Nice trash receptacle. Cooler storage. This one has the upgraded stereo system. This hatch lift here opens up the back compartment for access to your bilge area. You have storage throughout these cushions. The teak table raises up to make a nice place for lunch. This helm seat to the port side swivels around if you're entertaining folks. Gives you some extra room in here. Twin Raymarine screens, VHF, auto trim tab system, and again the Mercury piloting autopilot with the joystick function. Nice head area. Steps down to the cabin with a TV inside, and your switching systems for your batteries, control center, stereo. Forward of that we have the bow area. This boat's in great shape. It does have the aft sure shade that comes out across the back of the boat, so when you have this rear seat deployed, it's a really nice place to hang out. Freshwater wash down here, washing your feet off before you come back on the boat. So give us a call, 2017 350 SLX, MarineMax Savannah, 912-525-0961. Thank you very much.